Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn off your ACER Chromebook Spin 713. To turn off your laptop, you can either navigate to the control center in the bottom right corner of your device's screen, then go to Power Options, expand them, and select Shut Down, and then wait until your device is turned off. You can also hold the power button, which is located on the right edge of your device, right here. So hold it down for a couple of seconds. This will make power menu appear on your screen, and you'll be able to select shut down right here. Or if your device is stuck frozen, you can force shut down it simply by holding this button for another couple of seconds. Once your device's screen goes off, that means that your laptop is disabled. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.